Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing y'all how I made this tumbler from start to finish. Hi, I'm Christy, owner and creator with Lulu Ladybug Creations, and whether you're a crafter, a custom gift lover, or just here for some creative inspiration, you've come to the right place. So if you're ready, let's get started. All right, so we're going to get started with this 20-ounce curved tumbler I got from Makerflo. We're going to prep it using a 120 sanding block that I got off of Amazon. And I always take off that little sticker at the bottom. You don't necessarily have to, I just prefer to. Okay, so this vinyl that I will be working with today, I got it from It's Pretty Personal, and I have their link in the description below. But what we're going to do is, rather than do a V-split, I guess, we're going to do kind of like a side triangle, I guess. I don't know. I didn't want to do a V-split because it would cause the bows to kind of be off-centered. So we're going to try something different today. All right, so I'm going to get a wax pencil, and I'm going to use a ruler to make a straight line down the side of the cup so that I can make sure to put that vinyl on as straight as possible. So we're going to go ahead and cut off about a half an inch so that we can place the vinyl on the tumbler using that hinge method. And because the tumbler is curved, I have a little. I'm going to have a little bit of trouble placing. Well, because it's not straight, so it's gonna. I'm going to have to work with it in order to get it as straight as possible onto the curved tumbler. I'm using my heat gun to kind of stretch the vinyl a little bit so that it kind of forms to the cup. And I'm going to trim off the top edge of the vinyl so that there is a little bit of stainless steel left at the tops for used for the epoxy, so it'll adhere to the grip onto the tumbler. You want to make sure to pop any bubbles that are trapped under the vinyl, and you can use your weeding pin for that. And I was using my weeding pin and then the squeegee to kind of push out that air. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some painter's tape to tape off the edge of the vinyl so that when I paint the stainless steel portion of the tumbler, it doesn't get onto the vinyl. Okay, so for this part, we're going to use Chase Rae in Guac. It's extra glitter, and we're going to use the base coat of Ceramcoat Electric Lime to adhere the glitter onto the tumbler. Now, what I'm going to do to this paint is I'm going to add a little mixture of Mod Podge and water just to help with the adhesion. Okay, so we want to make sure that we have the tumbler covered with a good amount of paint so that we don't see any of the stainless steel shining in through the glitter. Now I do dry it off just a little bit so that I can place my second coat of this electric lime acrylic paint. I am cleaning off the rim from paints. Of course, that's for the epoxy. And this glitter with Chase Rae glitter, Guac, it's called Guac. It's extra. It is really pretty. I think it looks like it has a gold tone to it. But yeah, we're going to tap off some of that extra glitter. And we'll seal this glitter with Rust-Oleum 2x clear spray paint, and then we'll be back. Okay, so here we are with 2 coats of epoxy, and I used Alumilite Quick Coat Epoxy. I am affiliated with them, and I'll have their link in the description below. But I used some stencil, and I cut out these hearts that I got from not Creative Fabric. I got them off of Cricut. And they're a little bundle of 3 hearts. And what I did was I just duplicated the little triple sets and just made a whole bunch of them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place them on the tumbler kind of like in a diagonal pattern. You'll see I go from the bottom left and I go up to the top right with those hearts. Okay, so since these hearts are going to be the peekaboo portion of the tumbler, what I'm doing here is I'm marking each heart with hot glue from a hot glue gun. You'll find out later that I wish I didn't use the hot glue gun. Okay, so we're going to use some painter's tape to tape along the edge of the vinyl. Just so that we don't get paint on that portion of the tumbler. Okay, so now we're going to use Ceramcoat in Fuchsia as our base for the glitter. And I don't think I used any glitter glue. No, I didn't. But this glitter is a neon pink. It's extra fine, and I got it at Hobby Lobby. And now we're going to use that fuchsia acrylic paint to paint over all those hearts, which will be the peekaboo portion. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and remove that painter's tape, and I did seal it in with the Rust-Oleum 2x clear spray paint, just so that that pink wouldn't travel onto the vinyl portion of the tumbler. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use our pen to lift up all those heart stencils. Now you'll see here that I'm having a little trouble. Now, when I mentioned earlier about the hot glue gun, I found out here at this point that I wish I didn't use a hot glue gun for to mark my stencils. And the reason was because I think when I was touching the hot glue gun onto the stencil, I think the heat portion of the tip of the glue gun kind of went through and made it a little bit extra sticky onto the tumbler. So I was having a hard time lifting up all those stencils. So it took me a while, but I'll go ahead and speed it up here shortly, and then we'll come back after I get it all pulled up. Okay, so here it is, all stencils pulled up. Now what we're going to do is spray it one more time with Rust-Oleum 2x clear spray paint, and then we're going to get 2 coats of epoxy. Now here we are after 2 coats of epoxy, and now we're going to do, I'm sorry, I did 1 coat of epoxy. But now we're going to do the striping, and this striping I got at Hobby Lobby, and I think I got some at Michael's too, but I think this one was from Hobby Lobby. Anyways, I do have it linked in the description below, but we'll go ahead and get all this vinyl striping done, and then we'll put our final coat of epoxy and come back when it's completed. All right, so here's the finished tumbler, looking really, really cute. I think the bows and the hearts came out just so cute together. I think that new angle of the angle that I placed the vinyl on, I think that looked really cute too. I put my logo at the bottom. But I do hope y'all like this cup as much as I liked it. I want to thank y'all for watching my video. Y'all be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And comment below, and I'll reply as soon as I get a chance. And tap that bell so that y'all be notified of upcoming tutorials.